So one of my New Year's resolutions is to make more YouTube. So I decided to just start now with a challenge. In 4 days, New Year's Eve, live DJ set, let's make it. So first of all, we're gonna find some music. Here is my studio. Whoop whoop. So take this light. Whoops.
Hey, now I can taste it. Swear I won't waste it. I'll make it lemon.
Lemonade has to be included. Time to make a remix. A remix. Delete. Let's see what's gonna happen.
If to go back in time just to feel you next to me.
Go.
What all things I lost, what I'd give to go back in time just to feel you next to me. What all things I should be, now I can't taste it.
So the first thing that hits me is that we need more energy. Cool. Yeah, hello, is this the preset, please? Yeah, I was just wondering if there is any reason I should not use that. Great. Perfect. A lot of ugly sounds in that one.
Lemonade.
Feeling some Melbourne vibes here.
I'll make it lemonade. I'll make it lemonade.
Oh, hello! Suddenly my shirt is different and my hair is different too. It's because it's the next day. And it's only 3 days to New Year's Eve, so we're gonna mash up. Oh. So let's get to it. We're gonna make a mashup of these songs. Right, last track of the DJ set has to be like whew, some Jenna vocal and production mixed with Darren Styles style, or should we just call it Darren's style? Can this build up part here? Yeah. Done! I'm just kidding. Whoa. If I take this and I just I like sound. So warm. Ooh. We take a clapper here, right? Dot. We make it rise. I think we got it. Woo! Very important. Coffee time.
Make a lemonade.
I'm not sure what to do about it, but I think we will go by the book.